guys, Lucas Gaming TV again. Sahib, move, please. Move, Sahib. Thank you, please. Dogs. Dogs. Hi. Follow the line. Dogs. There's like stray dogs everywhere. See, all the sirens, people are not very good at driving. There's more dogs. They're all stray dogs. And my cousins are dogs. Because they suck and I'm awesome. I'm sorry. Ow! What did you do? What did you do? What? Turn the light up. Whoa! Make funny face. That's not funny. That's not funny. Let's see who can make the best funny face. You. No, he's winning. Yeah, I win. Because I'm awesome. I win. No, bye. Because they're lame and they're boring me and stuff. Okay, bye. Bye.